Hey everyone. So we wanted to take you guys along with us on our trip from Arkansas to Colorado to Utah to New Mexico back to Arkansas. So this will be a several part series. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe to see more.
We're on our way to Utah. We're gonna stop in Pueblo, Colorado first. It's like 6:30. We left at 5. Can't wait to get there.
Well, we made it to Pueblo, Lake Pueblo State Park. This is where we're camping for a few days before we get to Moab. We're pretty tired. We left early this morning, about 5 in the morning. Got here a little before 4. Got something to eat, went to the supermarket and got our groceries for the 10 days we'll be gone. And so we got all that put away, camp set up, and it's real pretty out here. Got a nice view to the lake. I don't know if you can see it out there. The sun's kind of going down, so, but we're all set up. Gonna probably go to bed pretty early today, wake up tomorrow, and I don't know if we're gonna do a trail or if we're gonna go to garden somewhere in Colorado Springs, Red Rock Canyon or something like that it's called. So we'll catch you, and you'll get to join us tomorrow.
Hey guys, it's day 2. We're going to Colorado Springs. We're gonna see a cave and maybe the zoo. Not sure. It sure is beautiful out here though. Let's show you the scenery. Wow, it's a beautiful drive with the mountains. I guess first we're gonna go visit a local cave called Cave of the Winds. And then if we have some time after that, we're gonna go visit Garden of the Gods.
When we went to Missouri, it was 2 little boys chasing a rabbit.
Yeah, making a mistake. Just to get a.
Okay guys, welcome to the adventure room. We found this room in 1987. We added it onto the tour on Mother's Day 1988. So moms out there, you got a pretty cool cave. Okay guys.
We just got done with the Cave of the Winds. It was a pretty cool little cave, about a 50 to 60 minute tour. Recommend it. It was nice. We're gonna go get a bite to eat real quick in downtown Colorado Springs, and then I think we're gonna go to the Garden of the Gods. So we'll see you then. was the Garden of the Gods. There was a lot of people, so we didn't get to do as much there as we wanted to because there was little parking. So we headed back to the campsite, but we had a surprise waiting for us when we got there. Man, it's like a hurricane! Well, since we're under a hurricane, we had to cook inside our little trailer. Normally we like to cook outside because it stinks. Makes your trailer smell like food. So, we'll make a little stir fry and some steak.
Okay, now it's steak time.
Well, we finished dinner, and so I guess we're just gonna make it an early night since the winds are not dying down, and hopefully tomorrow's a better day. Well, we want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe now, and you'll be able to get updates for next day, tomorrow. We're going on a trail that leads to the old town of Cripple Creek, Colorado. So subscribe now, hit the like button, and we'll see you sometime.